This is the data from page 166 in your textbook. All I've done is typed it in. I went to my Google Drive, and let's see, I'll go through that with you too just to make sure you can do it. So I just went to Google, and you will go through your portal to access Google. Mine is a little different, so you will access Google like I've shown you. You'll go to your Drive. You'll select New Google Sheets, and that's where you'll see the spreadsheet. So I've done that already, and I've typed my data in. Now when you have money, once you get it typed in, you can highlight, you can go up under Format and Number, and I want it to look like money, so I'm going to select Currency, and that way it puts all the dollar signs on there and I didn't have to do that. Now, we've talked about how to be able to tell whether something is exponential or linear. So when you were doing something like this, what you would want to do, remember, is do division to see if it's exponential or if it's linear. So we know with this one that it's going to be exponential. So what I want to do is I want to be able to find the equation. So I'm going to go highlight my data and hit Insert, Chart. And I want to do a scatter plot. And notice it's got everything plotted on here just like I wanted. It looks almost linear, but we've found out already, we know that it is exponential. So I'm going to hit Insert. It puts my chart there. And I'm going to go do an advanced edit. I'm going to slide down. I'm going to give it a title first. And it is, if we look on page 166, it says it's the amount of money that you won on a game show. So I'm just going to call it game show money. I'm going to go down through, and if I wanted to add a couple other things I could. This is saying that my legend is on the right. This is my legend right here. It's telling me that the blue dot is my graph. I could change any of these things that I wanted to, the font size, whatever I wanted to do. I've got the horizontal axis, which is this one. I could give it a title and say, I could say those are my years, and it would put years down here. I could do a drop down and do vertical, and I could say that's the money, and it'll put that over here. Notice it's adding it as I go. And I'm going to go down and find my line. So I slide down and it says trend line none. Well, I want a trend line and I want it to be exponential. And I want it to label it. So I'm going to click on label and I'm going to say use equation. And notice that it gives me the equation. It's 10,000 times E raised to the 0.068x. And that is actually my equation that I have. So, and in statistics, you'd probably want to have the r squared. We probably won't talk too much about that in this class, but the r squared value is 1. This is a very good graph. We're going to hit update. And there's my graph. If I wanted to, let's say, move it to its own page, I could say move it to its own sheet. And then I could go under File, and I could say Download As PDF document. And then I would be able to upload it in, let's say, Moodle if my instructor asked me to do that. And it would give me a nice, pretty graphic that I would have.